Hello my friends, welcome to my new video. This time I'm gonna draw Edward Newgate, Whitebeard. Like this video and share it with your friends. Support me by subscribe, click the bell, don't miss a video. Let's go!
Now we're like footprints in the snow, slowly fading until it's over. Our memories won't last forever. Now love you for eternity. So baby, let's get back together. I'll show you what you need, a symphony. Still feeling connected, so I propose that we embrace love, hope, and our affection. Nostalgia is crashing down, a bittersweet burning feeling. Cause when I start to look around, home isn't the same way you're leaving. Our memories won't last forever. Now love you for eternity. So baby, let's get back together. I'll show you what you need, a symphony. Symphony. fast car. This is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now. I got the other thoughts, I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, you say it's killing me. I wish I could fall asleep. The problem is you.
Finish it! Nice one! What do you think? Comment down below and let me know which One Piece character is your favorite. Thanks for watching, have a great day, see ya next time.